Okay, pretty sure it's streaming. So, welcome guys to my stream. Today is gonna be something a little more different and weird for me. Welcome to my, study stream. So, basically, I set out a plan, okay? I am turning my phone on mute. I am not allowed to look at my phone, okay? Rule number one. And then I made a timetable out for me. Where's the camera? Oh, here. So I have English. No, I'm doing math for about an hour. And then I have English and religion mocks on Monday. So on 120, after I'm finished math, I'll study business because business is one of my worst subjects. And then I'll do English for about 20 minutes because it's an easy subject. It's one of my favorites. I'll do that for about 20 minutes, and then I'll study religion for 30 minutes. Because religion you have to learn a bit more, but it's still quite easy. And then I'll do my bad, about like 40 minutes history because I've only started locking in this year. I've done so terrible on all the other years, and I want to make my history teacher proud. And then the rest is just Irish because I'm so cooked. Because the thing with Irish is like you have to like learn off the sentences, and I've learned nothing. But it's on Friday, so I think I'm okay for that, but it's still kind of like scary, Okay, now it's actually gonna be silent. It feels weird doing this silently, but oh my god. I know I said I'm gonna be silent, but like I just want to say, I was writing in my math junior cert book, and then I got in so much trouble because apparently the teacher didn't want me writing it out. So then I had to Tipp-Ex everything out, if you can see right there. Like, I Tipp-Ex, that's my homework. I could Tipp-Ex everything out. But then, I was Tipp-Exing this. And then I flipped it over for some reason, and then it got all over the table in math. And I was so scared that the teacher was going to give out to me, I started crying. But okay, we're gonna start with, we're gonna start with 2023 probably. Put that phone away! Okay. Or 2022 because they like to mix things up every year. So I'm not sure. I know a really important thing I need to learn is linear, equations. I'm fine with quadratics. I need to learn simultaneous, and then I also need to learn, I know long division for algebra. I need to learn, not Pythagoras, I know all this. What's it called? The 20%, 40%. Because, my teacher was trying to teach me, and I was not doing good. Anyway, 2022. Oh yeah, this exact thing. Okay, time for an actual silent stream. I'm also using my Christmas pen. Bro, I need to get a piece of paper. What am I doing? Where was the piece of paper I threw? Okay. Jane buys a laptop for $6.99 plus a shipping cost of $30. The exchange rate is $1.90. Work out in euro the total cost of Jane buying the laptop online. So this is quite easy. $1 is 0.90. So all you have to do is either multiply or divide, but dollars are bigger than euros. So that means our answer in euros is going to be smaller, so you most likely divide? I don't know, we'll check. Plus your shipping cost of 30, so $6.99 plus 30 is $729, I think. Wait, 9 plus 30. Yes, $729. So 729 multiplied by 0.90 is 656.1. Okay, so that's the answer. I know that's the answer. So 729, that's A1. 729 multiplied by 0.90 equals 656.10 cents. Okay, first one, that's easy enough. Okay, next, this is the one that's like, I really don't like. Jane has a gross annual income of $56,000. Jane pays income tax on her gross income at a rate of 20% on the first $43,000 and 40% on the balance. Work out Jane's income tax. So I know what to do. Like at the start, I just don't know what to do later. So we'll do 56,000, and then here's 20%, and here's 40%. So then 44,300 multiplied by 20%, 44,300, I can't see, multiplied by 20%, it's 8,860. I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. Okay, so that's what it cost, and then I'll have to take that away from something later, but I'm not sure what. Or I have to take this away from this. Yeah, okay, so let's figure this out, okay? Because the answers are at the back of the book as well. 56,000, take away 8,860. And maybe I have to multiply that by 40%. So 56,000, take away 8,860. 47,140. That does not sound right, but it's work and error, okay? I can have it wrong as long as I learn from my mistakes. So multiply that by 40%. 18,856. 18,856. Wait, is that it? Because it says that the two rates 20 and 40%. That might be it. I don't know, guys. Let's check. 2022 question 1. I hate finding the answers for these. It's so confusing. Solutions. 2024. 2023. 2022. Okay. 8,860. So I got the first thing right. And then the other one is 4,680. So I'm somehow gonna have to find out 4,680. But how we get that answer, I'm not sure. What if we do just 56,000 multiplied by 40%? That's 22,400. And maybe we take that away from 18,856. What? How do we get 4,000? What the heck? I'm not giving up on this. Okay, so this answer is right. And I know I have to, take the answer away from the answer. I'm pretty sure my teacher showed me how to do it. I'm not sure if I have a sheet on it, though. I need to find it. Maybe this hour of studying is gonna be enough. This is my different homework. No, I'm not sure I have it. It's okay. We're gonna figure this out. Okay, so how about we do... Because this by 40% is 18,000. So maybe something take away 18,000? 18,000 take away 8,000 is 10,000. How do you get this? Maybe I should just come back to it. Wait. So 56 take away 470,000. Cause this is just this by 20%, right? By 20%. What? Wait, how did I get this? Oh yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what am I doing? No, 44,000. Oh yeah, on the first 44,300. Oh, okay. So I'm not doing something with the 44,300. That's what I need to be doing something with. This right here. So 44,300. Okay, this is the first 44,300. I'm not allowed to write in the book. What if I do 56,000 take away 44,300, 11,700. What if I do that by 40%? Yes! Let's go! Okay, where's my pencil? Okay, so for this one, the first one, 56. So 44,000 by 300 multiplied by 20%. So this, you multiply this by this. And then you have to do 44,000, take away this. You take away whatever this is from 56,000, and then you multiply that by 40%. Okay. Do I have any more space on this? Okay, I look-y do. Okay, so let's do it again. 56,000. First one by 20% is 44,300 multiplied by 20%, 8,860. And on the second one, it's so 44,300 take away 8,860. Oh, I did multiply. Take away 8,000. Wait. Take away 8,000. Wait, now I'm confused again. 56,000. Take away 8,800 and... No, 43. What am I doing? 44,300. Take away 8,860. How did I do it now? You multiply this by this, and whatever you get, you take it away. So 56 by... You take it away. Okay, how did I do that? Wait. You multiply this by this, and then you get this 44,300. But that multiplied by 40% is not the answer. 18,000. Wait, how did I do it? What? 56,000. Take away 43,000. 13,000 or 8,860. 47,140. What did I do? Okay, you know what? Let's come back to that. I did it right once. I can't do it right again. Okay, so we have that now anyway. 4,680. Jane has an annual tax credit of 3,300. Work out Jane's annual take-home pay. Okay, so we know this is 4,680. However the hell we got that, because I don't know. Work out Jane's annual take-home pay. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. This is supposed to be easy. It's literally the first thing on the page. Okay, work out her take-home pay. Don't you just take it away? Yeah, you take it away from something, but I'm not sure what exactly. Oh, I ruined this. I need to rub it out for my teacher's thesis. Okay. Right. When Maeve's team plays a match, they win. Okay, I know how to do this. Make things that each outcome in the table in the table is equally likely. Based on this, find the probability that when Maeve's team plays 2 matches, they win at least 1 match. Give your answers in fraction. So they play 2 matches and they win at least 1. I'm not sure how to do that. Probability is my worst. I love trigonometry. I don't mind algebra. I don't mind all that. I hate probability and like money. I don't know why I picked business, but where's my thing? 2022. That's 2020. 2025. What am I doing? I need to like stick like a pencil. Oh, I did stick a pencil. Why is the pencil in 2023 and not in 2022? What? Oh, here. Okay. 4,500. Oh god. Okay, it's okay. 5/9. Okay, let's figure out how she got that. 5/9. 5/9. So, 5/9. So she. Okay, so. Oh, 9 here. And then if they play 2 matches, they win at least 1. Okay, so 3, 6, 9. So that's 9 altogether. But what do you mean they win at least 1? Oh, because here it says, I need a Cerulean question. When Maeve's team plays 2 matches, 1 is already done. WD means they win. Ah, okay, so that's not bad. So 1, 2, wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so, my bad, 5/9. Okay, that's easy. It's my fault for not reading the damn question. Maeve's team plays 5 matches in a competition. Work out the total number of different possibility outcomes for Maeve's team for these 5 matches. For example, one possible outcome would be WWLDW. What the hell? Oh, wait, what? WW. Where the hell did they get that? WWLDW? Where did they get that from? What? I feel like if I did this, though, if this would come up, I'd just like write down every single possible thing I see. Okay, work out the mean. The mean is where you add it all up and you divide. So 3, actually I don't even need to write this down. 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. And we divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's 0. What? What is happening? Oh my. I messed something up. 3. I mean, I don't even need to do that. 21 divided by 11. 1.91. I'm not sure if that's right. Let's check. D. Yes! 1 decimal. Okay. Complete the chart below to summarize the data above, showing the proportion of their games in which Maeve team scores 0 goals, 1 goal, and so on. Oh, okay, that's fine. That's just drawing a graph. Yes, please. No, I love trigonometry. Why is there things already written in here? Come on, what was I doing? Okay. Point Q has coordinates of 6, 2. Write down the coordinates of point P. Point P is -1, 3. Okay. Using this or otherwise, find the coordinates of the point where the line PQ crosses the y-axis. Oh, great. So, I need to reach into my bag for that. I don't even know if you're supposed to use this, but it sounds like something I need to use it for. Page 19, I think. Yeah. So the slope, length, midpoint equation, area of triangle. So, wait, no. To find the y-axis, don't you need to do like a simultaneous equation? We have... Oh, yes! Yes! Okay. I'm pretty sure for this, we just do a simultaneous equation. So, P is 3 minus 1. Q is 6 and 2. 3 minus 1, 6 and 2. Okay. So now, I'm not sure what to do. Oh! X and Y. This X1, Y1, this is X2 and Y2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So we're gonna hopefully find something here. Oh wait, here, line. Where it cuts the y-axis though. I don't know. Let's just take them away and see what happens. So 3x. Well, no, doesn't it need to equal to something? Oh wait, bro, I need to read the question. The equation of the line PQ is 7 plus. Oh, they just did all the hard parts for me. X plus 7y equals 20. Using this or otherwise, find the coordinates. Oh, okay. So I just need to do a minus b formula then. Right, yeah. So we have an x. No, we can't because it has to be x squared, and 20. Okay, y. Oh, okay. I understand. I need to learn how to read the question. We need to put this over here. So 7y is equal to plus 20 minus x. So now we put everything over 7y. No, is it 7y or just 7? I don't know, we'll see. I think it's just 7. And then I think this is it. No, this might be it because it's the x that matters. So this is like 1 over 7y? 1 over 7. It's like 1 over 7, right? I don't know, we're about to find out. It's B. Question 3B. 20 over 7. No, so it was this. Okay, 20 over 7. Okay, that's fine. So I know how to do that. Okay, cool. On a new road is being built through the point Q62. Okay. On the corner diagram, it will be a straight line segment which is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, which is perpendicular to PQ. Work out the equation of this new road. Give your answer in the form of AX plus BY plus C equals 0, where A, B, C equals R. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is hinting for a quadratic, okay? But I'm not sure how to get one. So on the corner diagram, it will be a straight line segment which is perpendicular to PQ. So perpendicular is something like this. How would I find the second one though? I mean the third number. Okay. Bro, why am I getting hungry? I literally just downloaded a thing of frosting. I am not supposed to be getting hungry. Work out the equation of this new road. So 6, 2. 6 and 2 equals 0. Oh, I might need help on this one. I'm not sure. Equation, wait. Work out. Oh, the equation. The equation is right here. So it's asking me. Okay. Okay, we're okay. So 6 and 2 is x and y. X and y. So that's y take away y1 equals m. X take away x1. So that's x1, y1. So y take away 2 is equal to m. Wait, no, we need to find the midpoint. Yeah. But where would you get y2? Oh, because it's perpendicular. Yeah. So first, what we need to do is find the midpoint, which is 6, 2. I'm getting a stomach ache. And minus 1, 3. And we need to do x1, y1, x2, y2. And then 6 plus minus 1 over 2 plus, well, not plus, but 2 plus 3 over 2. Okay, now we put that all in the calculator, I'm pretty sure. Unless I do it by myself, because the calculator might be wrong, or I wouldn't be putting it the right way into the calculator. 6 plus minus 1, 2. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's 5 over 2. And then, unless I do them both. Oh, okay. 2 plus 3 over 2. It's also 5 over 2. What? Okay, and if I do 6 plus 1 over 2, and then that wouldn't work. And then to another one. Guys, what the heck? I need to find the midpoint somehow. Here. Right here. And then another one? What? Okay, yeah, okay, turn that off. I have 5, 2 here and 5, 2 here. Maybe I like add them or something. It's not saying what to do, it's just saying how to find the midpoint, which 5, 2 and 5, 2. Maybe I cross multiply or something, so that would be 10, unless this just both equals, Okay, let's just cross multiply, so that's 10, and that's 10 over 10, which is equal to 1? Okay, we'll try with that. Let me take this out. Y take away 2 is equal to 1, and then x take away 6. Okay, and then we don't multiply by this, so that's minus 2y or something. Wait, if I do x take away 2, what does that equal? 7. That's not 7. Oh, I don't have my copy with me. I multiply like this by like this or something. Okay. 2y. No. So basically, it's minus 2y is equal to 1 minus 6x. So now we have to switch everything over. So plus 6x is equal to 1 plus 2y. And it has to equal to 0. So, oh, okay, it equals to 0. It equals to 0. I know I'm on the right track. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what the answer is. 3C. 7x. What? Take away y, take away 40. Wait, so whenever I did this, so y take away 2. What? X minus 6. Okay, I'll come back to that one, okay? The distance PQ on the diagram is 7.1 centimeters. Correct to 1 decimal place. 5 millimeters. What? Is correct to 1 decimal place. The distance on PQ. Oh, okay. 5 millimeters on a represent. Oh, okay. Use this workout to represent actual distance from P to Q. So if it just represents 5, isn't it just 5? Or maybe I need to do 100 by 5, which is 20. That works. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Or that'd be 900. Wait, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8, wait, 10, 20, 30, wait, I don't think, no, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so that's 70, so that'd be 700, or 70 divided by, no, what's here, 7.1, so it's like 75 or something? 14? Guys, what the heck? What the actual heck? How do people do this? 1.42. And I got 14. Oh, wait. 7.1 multiplied by 2. 14.2. That's all you do. Okay. Thanks. Yes, this is what I love. The perimeter of triangle A is 8 centimeters. Two sides of the length have 2 centimeters. And please work out the length of the first side of triangle A. So for this, we do Pythagoras theorem. So we do, there is no right angle on this, which is a little funky, but we'll say this is the angle. So this is O. This would be A, and so A square equals B square equals C square, and if not, we can just change that. Okay, triangle B. Write down the perimeter of triangle B in terms of X. Oh, okay, so the perimeter is just where you add everything up. So let's do that one. I barely have space on this sheet. Let me try and find something else. Okay. Okay, write down of triangle B in terms of X. So you just add everything up, right? So 2x plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 That's 4x plus 4. Is that it? 4b. 4x plus 4. There you go. The perimeter of triangle B is 24 centimeters. No, it's not. Oh, okay. Use this to work out the value of x. 24 centimeters. Okay. 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. So 4x plus 4 is equal to 24. So 4x is equal to 24. Take away 4, which is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, which is equal to 5. And I shouldn't have counted on my fingers to do that. So the value of x is 5, right? What the heck? Wait, what are we on? Question 4C. K40y equals 4? What is K? Yeah, here. X is equal to 5. Oh, because I'm still on B. Okay. I got it right. Okay. The perimeters of the three triangles A, B, and C form a linear sequence. Linear is when they're all in order, I'm pretty sure. Let me search that up. Hold on. What is a linear... What is this? Hold on. What is a linear sequence? Oh, okay. Space of numbers where the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same. Okay, that's fine. Thank you, Google. Okay. So they're all the same. They have consecutive numbers. Triangle C has the largest perimeter. The perimeter of triangle C is k centimeters, where k equals a natural number. Find the value of k. So none of this matters, to be honest. Oh no, this is 24. That means this would be about like 22 or something. That means I have to find the perimeter of this. So I actually do need to find the Pythagoras theorem of that. So 2, 3.5, and x. So we need to find the value of x. That's h square equals 3.5 square plus 2 square. H square equals 3.5 by 3.5, 369. That'd be about 10 or something. 3.5 square. 12.25. 12.25 plus 4. H square equals 12.25 plus 4, that's 16.25. Square root of 16.25 is equal to 16.25. Oh, I did that wrong. Is equal to, hello, 4.03. I'm pretty sure that's the right answer. Let's see. A 2.5. Okay, so I did it the wrong way. So that means 2 square is equal to 3.5 plus c square. So 4 square is equal to, this is why you always have to do it twice. 4 square is equal to, what's it called? I don't think I have enough time to study this math, but okay. 4 square plus is equal to 3.5 square. 12.25 plus c square. Oh, no square. Oh wait, here's square. So now we have to do 12.25 took away 4, so c square is equal to 8.25. Square root of 8.25 is equal to 0.25 is equal to 2.87. That's still not the right answer. What? What? But that's easy though. 2.5. The book must be wrong. No way. Okay, anyway. The perimeters of free trend ABC. Okay. Oh, wait, no, but I low-key have to find the perimeter so I could see what the linear sequence is. So, wait, so that means I wouldn't even have to be able... I wouldn't have to do anything here. Okay, so 3.5 plus 2... Let's say the answer is 2.5, so 3.5 plus 2 plus 2.5. That's 8. Wait, it literally says the perimeter is 8. Oh, what am I doing, man? 8, 24. So 24 take away 8. That's 16. So 24 plus 16 is most likely gonna be the difference. It's most likely gonna be 40. So now we have to figure it out until it's 40. 5 plus y squared plus y squared plus 3 is equal to 40, I think. And then, what do we do here? 5 plus y squared plus y squared. What the hell is that? X squared plus x squared. 100 and... No, that's not right. That equals to 2y squared. 2y squared plus 3 is equal to 40. And then we take this away. So 5. Oh yeah, but we also take that away. So 2y squared plus 40, 39, 40, 37. 37. So now everything is on this side, so let's make it equal to 0. Okay, and then 37 plus 5 is 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 42 plus 2y squared. Square. No, cubed? That's not cubed, it's square. So 2y is equal to minus 42. Minus 2y is equal to minus 42. Minus 42 divided by 2 is equal to minus 21. Please say I got that right. K equals 40. Didn't I get that? Oh yeah. K equals 40, y equals 4. So I overcomplicated it. Okay, you know what? Next page. I hate cylinders. Actually, I hate area and volume and all that. I like Pythagoras and algebra. No yawning. Show the volume. Okay, a balloon pump is made from a cylinder with an internal diameter of 6 centimeters and a height of 20 centimeters. As shown, each time the pump is pumped, it passes one full cylinder of air into a balloon. Okay, so just give me a diagram what it says. Show that the volume of one full cylinder of air is 180 pi centimeters square. I mean cubed. Okay, so I'm just gonna find that. Surface area and volume. Page 10. Okay, volume. Cylinder. Is this a cylinder? I guess it is. So, we need to show it. So, question 5. And then V equals pi radius square h. So the v equals pi radius. So 10 would be the radius? No, the diameter is 6, so 3 square, and then height of 20, so 20. And now we'll put that into the calculator. So pi 3 square 20? No, it's like plus 20 or something. Plus 20. 48. What? What do I multiply by 20? Yes, it's multiply. You have to multiply. And that equals 180 pi centimeters square. I need to remember my things, my units of measurements, because that's the thing I mess up the most on. Okay. Next. Dara is inflating a balloon in the shape of a sphere. When fully dilated, the balloon has a radius of 15 centimeters. Find the volume of Dara's balloon when it's fully inflated. Give your answers in centimeters square in terms of pi. Okay. So, balloon in the shape of a sphere, it's fully inflated. The balloon has a radius of 15. So, the thing altogether is 30. So, B. So, altogether, the diameter is 30. Find the volume. Okay, the volume of a sphere. 4/3. That's 4/3 pi radius square. So, radius. Wait, so this isn't even hard. 4/3 by pi by 15 square. And that should be it. 4/3 by pi by 15 cubed. 4,500. I mean, what? No way. Question 5B. It is 4,500. Well, there you go. Centimeters cubed. Dara pumps the pump once every second. How many seconds will it take Dara to fully inflate his balloon? Okay, so we're gonna put this. Oh god. How many seconds will it take to Dara fully inflate his balloon? It has a radius of 15. Maybe we need to find the area. So area is 4 pi 15 square. 4 pi 15. 4 by pi by 15 square. That's 900. Oh! 4,500 divided by 900. Probably. Pi. And these are all still pi. 4,500 divided by 900 equals 5. 9. I mean, what? 5. But what if I do pi? Okay, it still equals to 5, so it'll take 5 seconds? Let's see. 25 seconds. Where the hell are you getting 25 from? Where are you getting the extra 20 from? I only have a minute left, guys. Where do you get the extra 20 from? Okay, you know what? Since I have a minute left, I'll just look through what other things there is. Yeah, no, Venn diagrams. I need to do that as well. Values for P. Amy picked 3 values that were all the same, so P equals Q equals R. Write down the values for the P that Amy picked. What values did she pick in the first place? Okay, that's my timer. What are we doing now? Oh, business. For 40 minutes. I was a little optimistic with that one. Or, well, why I wanted to do business for 40 minutes is because I wanted to do I know pretty much a lot of things. I need to do the thing with the, like, calculation part of business. Business. Sorry if someone is commenting. I doubt someone is commenting, but if someone is, I can't really read it. Okay. Business. I need to do one of them paper things. This. It's so weird. Complete the analyzed cash book of Eat Right Ltd for the month of May 2024 from the information provided below. So the thing is, if it's credit, it goes on the debit side. If it's debit, it goes on the credit side, which is so confusing, and I don't get how to add them or anything. So, shareholders invested in the company. So that's debit. Purchase goods, that's credit. Sold goods is debit. Paid wages is credit. Right? Paid electricity bill is credit. Paid wages is credit. Wait, I'm gonna search up if it's actually credit or debit. Is paying a credit or a debit? The debits are what you pay out for the business. For example, wages, supplies. Oh my god, bro. So everything is debit. Credits are what you have come into the business, such as, okay, so everything's opposite. So this is credit. This is debit, debit, debit. This is debit, and this is credit. Okay. Now what do I do is the big question. Workings if required. So 15 for 17,000. This is credit, so it goes on the debit side. And it's so shareholders. Oh yeah, I'm allowed to write in this. Shareholders. Actually, let's do this in pencil. I don't know where my pencil is gone. Oh, here. Shareholders. And bank, that's 17. No, credit. So invested. So 17,000. Sales, no VAT. Capital, 17,000. Okay, this is debit, so it's going on the credit side. And then purchase goods, 9,000 by 23%. By 23% is, so this is goods or whatever, and then 2,070. So purchases 2,070. Wages. Wait, what? I don't know how to do this. Wait, no, because you do everything here and then you add everything up in here. Wait, is there like a finished like checkbook? Wait, no, there's no answers at the end of this. Wait, do they really just give you this? You don't have to remember all of it? It's like better. Yeah. So for this, all you do is just. Okay, that's fine. I need to do this. Okay, guys. I'm asking AI. Okay. First use of AI. I don't condone this, by the way. Also, why did I write 270 here and I didn't take it away? What am I doing? Come on, lock in. Right. Oh, it's taking a while to think. Oh no. It doesn't know how to do it. It didn't reply! Reply. What are you doing? Answer my snap. Well, if AI doesn't know how to do this, then I'm actually cooked. Actually, why don't I ask just ChatGPT? Oh wait, he sent me something. Encountered a technical issue. Great. ChatGPT. Okay. Picture. ChatGPT. Okay. How do I do this? Add photo. Okay. Yes, so much better. A cash book. Okay. Money coming in is the debit side. What? Money going out is the credit side. So money going in is debit. Money going out is credit. So this is wrong. No, but the side. Okay. Oh god. Oh god, man. So everything I did was right, I guess. So credit. Okay. 9,000 is, but where do I put it? Bank capital, and then money going out. Sold goods on the debit side. May 12th of May, 19th of May, 26th of May. Okay. So the debit side. So this is what the debit side is supposed to look like. So shareholders 70,500. What the heck? I even read it wrong. What am I doing? Okay, 70. I can use a pen for this now. Where's my Christmas pen? 17,500, and then here we have 17. Yeah, nothing for. Okay, so I was right about this. Sales 13,530. 11,000. Where did we get that 11,000 from? Okay. Oh, okay. So, and then VAT is 2,530. There's no capital on that for some reason. And then for this side, it's goods. Yeah. Bank 11,000. Sorry if you can hear my dog snoring. 9,000,2070. Guys, I'm gonna learn this off, so don't worry. 3,000. 2,000, because this is elect, this is wage, this is also wage. This is 3,000. This is 2,000. This is so confusing. I really hope this isn't on the exam. Okay. Total money in 70,000 plus 13,000. But that's from the bank. 31,030. Total money out. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, yeah, 19,070. Closing balance, 11,000. You take it away? Where do you take that away? So you just do everything from the bank? Okay. So this goes on the credit side. So it goes on the credit side. So what? Balance C over D balance. Yeah, okay, so that's 19,070. I don't know how it goes on the credit side, but okay. 11,960. Oh, that's it? That's not bad then. Okay. Okay, I know how to do it then. The rest, that's all I wanted to do, and it's not even that bad, so the rest I don't even have to, like, study, really. Teacher was like, oh, you gotta study, but, like, I don't know. Well, okay, well, let's think of this. So, what does everything stand for? So, for the four things, the 4 P's, price, production, place, promotion, and then you need land, capital, workers, or whatever, and then the other thing, and then USC is universal social charge, PRSI is pay, PRSI, pay related social insurance, USC universal, oh, I already said that. DIR is the deduction, interest, retention tax. I'm not sure if there's anything else actually. Deduction, interest, retention tax. Yeah, I felt like for this, like, I'd have to learn all this off, but I guess not, because all of it just looks like it's, in here, Get this, turn this upside down. You do not want to see any notifications coming through. I guess since I don't really have anything, I guess I'll just do something else. Or just, like, look over something else. I'm not remember what I told myself to study, and I don't think one of them was geography. No, it wasn't. I think I'm fine for geography anyway, like. So, one location of an earthquake, Eyjafjallajökull, Iceland. Oh yeah, volcanic eruption. For geography, it's just like reading stuff and all. Yeah, no, the most I'm cooked for is just math and Irish, I guess. Can my dog stop snoring? Oh my god. She's so cute. This is easy. This is linear, isolated, nucleated, dispersed. That's just adding. Explain 2 reasons why more people are living in urban areas than rural areas. Wait, what's the difference between urban and rural? That's something I should learn. I always get them two mixed up. What is the difference between rural and rural? Wait, what? Rural and urban. Okay. It's very high and has features of a bill as urban. And located in the outskirts is rural. So an area, then rural, so urban. So urban area is because I guess it's because nicer scenery. Less the cost is less. More job opportunities. More land, definitely more land. And that's like more than 2 reasons, so it's fine. Explain one way that physical geography of the Ballyshannon area influenced the route of the N15 National Primary Road. Basically, it's wait, the area influence what map of the area influence the right route of the. They might just give us a map, to be honest. It's fine. What was I on? Discuss how physical geography of an area helps to attract tourists. So, warm weather, climate, helps with surfing, goes to the beach. Nice scenery, helps people climb, and all that stuff. Okay, that's good. We did a lot of this. Let me go into 2023. Okay. Use the terms in the part. The average temperature of the Earth is rising due to increased gases in the atmosphere. This causes climate change. When fossil fuels are burnt in our homes, I'm speaking so much I can't really speak. Factories and by traveling cars and planes, gases, for example, carbon dioxide, are released into the atmosphere. The removal of trees known as deforestation. Wait, what are 2 carbon dioxide? I mean, what are 2 gases? Peat and turf. And coal, obviously. Okay, this is a global north. And this is a developed. Yeah, this is a developed country. Red means developed countries. I should learn how a volcano is formed. That's what I should learn. How is a volcano formed in detail? Wait, actually, I can go onto Classroom. I can go onto my pen fell. Oh. Okay. An hour .07. Okay. .27. 7. Okay. Anyways. In detail. Okay, they form when molten. This is not detail. When molten called magma escapes from deep inside the earth. This usually happens in areas when tectonic plates, larger pieces, oh my god, this is giving first year, of Earth's crust meet. When these plates pull apart or collide, they create openings for magma to rise. I should go into my, this will take a bit of time, into my classroom and look at all my first year notes. You guys can come along with me. Here you go. Okay, so where are we? Where's geography? Oh, here. Oh, how would we classwork? No, that's just classwork. I guess we're just gonna have to scroll down till first year. That's, when did I start? 2023. Yeah, she posts so much things like every day. Oh, my mouse took on my other monitor. Wow. Okay, 2024. It's making me really dizzy. How much did she post? Okay, 2023. Oh yeah, because we had like a different teacher the first day. Oh, right. Oh, impact on volcanoes. Environmental impact. Wow. She was really... Why is this covered? Right, ash and dust pollute atmosphere. Okay, I feel like this is all fairly, like, you know... how volcanoes form plus diagram and all. But like, she didn't even like volcanoes. Oh, okay. Label volcano, Iceland, how volcanoes are formed. Okay, perfect. A volcanic mountain or volcano forms. So magma moves up to the surface of the earth through a small opening called a vent. Okay. So a vent is number 1. The magma is stored underground in a magma chamber. Okay, so it goes up through the vent and it's stored in a magma chamber. Okay. The gases build up in the magma chamber. My monitor just like turned off. What the heck? I think here. Hold on, guys. We'll be right back. Let me put this on. Sorry, you're gonna have to go blind for a second. I think I kicked something. Or I'm gonna have to go into... Oh wait, yeah, I did kick something. Okay, we're fine now. Let me take this off. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, so it's a magma chamber and it goes up through a vent. And then the gases build up in a magma chamber. Okay, so it's stored in a magma chamber and the gases build up. The pressure from the gases causes a magma to erupt out of the vent through an opening called a crater. Okay, so... Jesus. Magma moves through the surface through a small area called a vent. And then gases like build up in a magma chamber, and then they move up through something called a crater. When magma reaches the Earth's surface, it is known as lava. So there's only 7 points to this. The lava flow cools down and hardens around the vent. Other materials such as cinders and ash also erupt from a volcano. After repeated eruption, layers of ash and lava build up around the cone-shaped mountain. Okay. So it's stored in a magma chamber. When magma moves up and down the surface of the earth through a small opening. Okay, so volcanoes, when magma moves up and down the surface, is called a vent. So magma is stored in a chamber, magma chamber, and gases are in that. And then whenever there's too much gases or whatever, they go up a crater. And then, where's a fissure? I'm pretty sure a fissure was supposed to be mentioned, but anyway. They move up a crater, and then once it reaches the top, it turns into lava, and then it's lava and ash everywhere. Okay. That's fine. And then, oh yeah, the diagram of a volcano. So, this is a magma chamber. Why is everything so weird? Lava, hot ash, and mud, I'm guessing is somewhere over here. The crater, I'm guessing be like here. Where would the vent would be here. Cone-shaped mountain, I guess it's just this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is pretty fine. This is good. This is a stalagmite, and a pillar. The stalagmite forms from the stalactite dripping whatever. Oh yeah, I need to learn about freeze-thaw action or whatever. Sorry guys, I'm bringing you back up here. Is that... Okay. So... Economic is to create jobs. Habitat destruction. My mouth is so dry. Where's my water? I have a lot of this done. Okay, freeze-thaw action. It's a type of chemical weathering that occurs in cold climates water seeps into the cracks of rocks. Okay, so water seeps into the cracks of rocks. When the temperature drops below 0 degrees, the water freezes and expands, putting pressure on the rocks. So it seeps into the cracks of rocks. It freezes, it expands, and it puts pressure on the rock. Repeatedly freezing and it causes the breakdown of rock. Okay. I need to remember all these examples as well. Name a factory in your local area that you have studied. Tato factory. Inputs of the factory: direct, indirect job, process cleaning potatoes, tasting every hour. Outputs: Tato crisps and hunky dories. Making me hungry. I guess there's not really much else. Like, your education for young people can impact on gender equality and life expectancy. Explain how providing young people with education can have an impact on either gender equality or life expectancy. So women that go to school learn about healthcare, and they learn about like safe sex, and so this makes them have more of a life expectancy since they're safer or whatever, and they don't birth as many kids, obviously. And then gender equality, well, you just learn to socialize with guys and girls. This thing is humus. This is bedrock. This is topsoil, subsoil. One type of soil I've studied: the browner soils or the peaty soils. Which one of the following types of forests most commonly in the grid shown above? So this would be coniferous, and this would be deciduous. Name one of a primary economic activity other than forestry: fishing. Explain one way that the physical landscape has influenced the development of primary economic activities in the area shown. Okay, so basically cutting down like the trees and all to make room, like urban sprawl. This is where you're talking about urban sprawl. And it's like Dublin, example, this is Dublin, and it's basically where everything is just, there's no more space in the city, so they start building out to the countryside, and then it ruins vegetation and it harms animals that live there, and people move, and it's an ugly sight, and it's just less farmers in general. Explain one negative impact of deforestation. Trees, they take in carbon dioxide and they produce oxygen, or the other way around. And without that, then, we'd not be able to breathe. They also protect the ozone layers. Okay. Read the article below and answer each of the following question. Okay, that's just an article. Renewable and non-renewable. Renewable is wherever you can, it lasts, like solar and wind. Non-renewable is if it runs out, like water and coal and oil, I'm pretty sure. There are arguments for and against the development of Brucana Wood Farm from the people living in the nearby village of Timpaloofi. Explain in detail one argument for or one argument against the development of wind farm. People, okay, so I'd go against because it's an ugly sight, and people will move because of the scenery, and because it's really loud and people won't be able to sleep. It causes disturbance. 2 reasons why towns often develop near rivers. So they have drinking water, so they have water, and isn't it also to protect themselves? But that's like in like Viking history or whatever. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, the river processes. I forgot about the river processes. Town and cities change. Where is, like, something about the river? One way to reduce the damage. you can prepare build like bomb shelters or whatever. Or like just oh yeah, you board up your windows. Explain why areas along the west coast of Ireland have more rainfall. Because we're closer to the sea and it brings more precipitation. Where's something about the water? Oh, here. Okay. So, let's see. Number 1. So 4 is a headland. This is an island. This is a sea stump. Or I guess not. This is a sea stack. So 5 is a sea... Holy riding. What the heck? Sea stack. Oh. My bad. About the camera. Okay. And then... A bay is really like everything. 1 is a meander. I kind of forgot. Wait, a delta is like whenever it's not attached, right? So we have this and a sea stack. The source of the river. So the source of the river. This is the most confusing thing ever. 1, 2. This is not the source though. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. The source would be A. 3, 4. Oh, okay. So the source is in there. The bay or the delta. Isn't the delta... What is a delta? Let me see that. What is a delta? Why is it in Polish? What is a delta river? A landform typically triangular created by the deposition of sediments that are carried by the water of the river. Okay, so 3 is a delta. Good to know. So that means number 3 is... Wait, no. That means number 2 is a bay. Yeah, because the source is A. Makes no sense. Explain in detail. Okay, so along the coast, a similar area that is in Ireland's first settlers arrived a long ago. If you were on the first settler in the area shown in Figure 1, would you choose to settle at site A, B, or C? I'd choose to settle at site C because the water protects you. It's also near a water supply, and there's a mountain covering, so that's full protection. Okay. There's not really more about, like, water. I think my geography teacher wanted me to do this for homework, but no thanks. Explain how the weather event you named in part A was formed. Name one of it that you have studied. A weather event? Oh, shoot. What would be a weather event? Well, okay. On a hike, but ask your friend how it was formed, right? You would give an explanation of the process of glacial erosion or the process of river erosion. Plucking, quarry, tarn. Okay. So, event that you have studied. Would it be a significant weather event? I guess it should just be like something on like Hurricane like Katrina or something. Imagine you're sent to the site of a recent volcanic eruption. Write a report describing the negative impacts of the volcanic eruption. The ash goes into the atmosphere, and it's really harmful for your lungs, and it also obviously burns things. Okay, I think that's fine. I don't think we even need that extra, like, bit. 4 o'clock. Okay, English. We can just go on to English now. Sorry, this is just kind of broken. And we can... Yeah, okay, let's go on to English. English is quite easy anyway. I just need to learn the all the different terms, like enjambment, which is a sequence, I mean, no. What? It's run online. That's what jam is. Here. Everything gets explained in the first thing. There you go. So alliteration is on B, which makes it, so alliteration is where it keeps repeating it. Okay, so let's do a random poem and see what I can get out of it. If I even see one. Here you go. Oh, the places you'll go. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. You're off to great places. Today's your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. Bro, it's like the easiest thing ever. Do you think the Dr. Seuss quotation above is suitable for choice for graduation ceremonies? I guess, like, because, like, it shows how, like, everything is positive and, like, you have to move on with your life. You can't just, like, stay in one place forever and, like, you know, you're, like, going to great places and all. You're writing your diary at the end of a very beautiful day. Very eventful day, sorry. 24th January, dear diary, you won't believe what happened today. Has been the day that filled me with hope. Continue the diary entry. It filled me with hope, so I'm just gonna say, like, what? I saw a girl being bullied and I stepped in from her getting bullied. English is so easy. Rewrite each of the sentences in the space below, correcting it one error in each case. I cannot accept that it is a hopeless situation. Accept is spelled wrong, right? That it is a... I can say it's IT fada, IT comma S. Accept. No, accept is spelled right. So I guess for this it's just it's. Oh, and then cannot is I can. Oh, it's fine, you know. Where did I leave my lucky hat? Question mark. There's a law of optimism in the school at present. There's a lot, so a space lot. You're always so cheerful. You're dash E. No, R-E. There is some people who always look on the bright side of things. Is it there or there? There. No. It might be there. Who look on the bright side of things. Or I could add like a little comma. I guess there's like multiple things you could do that count. Okay. This is just like, it's the greening of the tree that really gets to me. This is a positive or a negative statement by the poet. Okay, more than the fuchsia funnels is breaking out of the crab apple tree. More than the neighbor's almost obscene display of cherry limbs shoving their cotton candy colored blossoms to the slate sky of spring rains. It's the greeting of the trees that really gets to me. When all the shock of white and taffy, the world's baubles and trinkets leave the pavement stone with the confetti of aftermath, the leaves come. Patient plodding, a green skin growing over whatever winter did to us. A return to the strange idea of continuous living despite the mess of us, the hurt, the empty. Fine, then I'll take it, the tree seems to say, and used like a leaf unfurling like a fist in open palm. I'll take it all. Okay, that's pretty easy enough to understand. It's the greening of the tree that really gets me. Do you think that is a positive or a negative statement by the poet? Well, it's a positive thing. Well, it depends on the angle you're looking at, but I'd say it's a positive thing because, you're really, like, feeling it. But, like, you're not supposed to put feelings into the answer. That's the thing. It's the greening of the trees that really gets to me. like she's like admiring it. Oh, thank you. I'm already doing English. It's like very admirable, and it could like help her a lot in future life. Would you recommend this poem for inclusion in a poetry book for junior cycle English? Well, I'd say no because I don't like it, but I'd say yes because it has a lot of like words like similes and all, I think. Well, I'll just have to say, the nouns and all. Give an example of a memorable metaphor or simile used by a poet that you encountered in your study of English junior cycle. Yes, that's what I need to do. Explain why this metaphor or simile was memorable for you. You may not use this poem printed on this paper. So, I'd say running on empty. Okay, that's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. Okay, get this out of here. Here you go. Also, don't mind that there's translator. I was seeing if accept is spelt right. But anyway. Oh, now I'm just messing everything up. Okay. So, my two poems that I would want to choose is Hay Carrier by Paul Durkin, I think. I think that's his name. Paul Durkin. Yes! That's his name. Hay Carrier. Poetry moment. Wait, no. No. I don't want this to get, like, demonetized. Oh, it's probably gonna be a fair copy of the poem, The Hay Carrier. Okay. Oh my god, The Hay Carrier poem. Have you saved hay in Mayo in the sun? Have you ever slept in a hay barn on the road from Mayo to Egypt? I am a hay carrier. My father was a hay carrier. My mother was a hay carrier. My brothers were hay carriers. My sisters were hay carriers. My wife is a hay carrier. My son is a hay carrier. Is that it? Wait, hay carrier. This is not it. What is this? I can't even zoom in on this. Where is... Why can't I just find the poem? Like, what? Why can't I find the Hay Carrier poem? Your free poetry. What free poetry? Wow. Have you saved hay when the last time? And all of heaven lies waiting to be fed. What? What is this? Okay, maybe I should type in, like, lyrics. I don't know if, like... Bro, the lyrics don't work for this. This is just conversations. Okay, I don't want to go into something I don't want to see. What is this? Come on, hey Karen. Okay, this is the best site that gave me two lyrics. Well, at least it's made by Paul Durkin. Hay Carrier. Search. It's the most sketchy website I've ever been on. Why is it like this? What is this? What is happening right now? Why can't I just find the Hay Carrier poem? Hey Karen, the Hay Carrier, fair copy of the poem. Can't you just give me a picture? There's nowhere to even click on. Oh, here. What? Hey, Paul Madoon. I'm supposed to be studying over here. This is so weird. How do I download it? Access notes. Oh my god, there's an ice cream truck right outside my house. Fair copy of the poem, The Hay Carrier. Oh my god. Poem. Hay Karen lyrics. Famous hay poems. I just want the hay carrier! Hay for the horses! Hay poems! Bro. Hay carrier poem JC. Junior Slur. No, this is all Google groups. Poetry. Hay carrier. Is this the same? Bro! Okay, well, hay carrier. I guess I don't. Okay. Running on empty. Home. Okay. This is not it. I'm told to be careful. Running on empty is the life I live when I'm able to give. Is the smile on your face running on empty? I do. This is not it. Also, it's running. This sucks. Like, genuinely, this sucks. Yeah, this is it. Bro, what is this? The fuel gauge dipping towards empty, hitting empty, then filling, way below myself. This is literally it. By Poetry Nook, Running on Empty, a poem by Sharon Norman. What is all of this? Bro, what is this? Relating to Running on Empty by Robert Phillips. No. 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 No! No! How did it crash out? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you actually mean? Why is there nothing? Okay, scratch that. You know what? Wait. Let me remember this. The fuel gauge dipping towards empty, hitting empty, then filling. Wait, below empty. Myself driving across country mile after mile, faster and faster all night long. This crazy kid driving the Earth's rolling surface against all laws, defying chemistry, rules, and time, riding on nothing but fuse, pushing a little harder. Is that really it? Like, what? Oh my god, I found it! Yes! Let's go! I need to take a picture of this. I gave myself 20 minutes, but I think it took 15 minutes alone just to find this. So, like, as a teenager, I would drive my father's Chevrolet cross-country given me. So that's in German, reluctantly. Always keep the tank half full, boy. Half full, you hear? The fuel's gauge dipping towards empty, hitting empty, then thrilling, way below empty myself, driving cross-country, mile after mile, faster and faster, all night long. This crazy kid driving the Earth's rolling surface against all laws, defying chemistry. Rules and time, riding on nothing but fumes, pushing luck harder than anyone pushed before. The wind screamed past passed like the Furies. I stranded myself only once, a white night with no gas, station open 90 miles from nowhere. Panicked for a while, at standstill, myself stalled at dawn, the car and I both revealed, but father, I am running on empty still. Okay, give a cycle of a memorable metaphor or simile used by the poet. Metaphor, what would a metaphor be again? What is a metaphor? A figure of speech that compares two different things by stating the one or the other. A metaphor that compares by stating what? Suggests he sailed through the exam. Okay, so where was that thing now? Close. Okay, so a metaphor or a simile. Thrilling, mile after mile, faster and faster, all night. So I need to remember one of them. What would be a good line to remember from this poem? From nowhere, panicked for a while. At dawn, the car and I both revealed, but father, I am running on empty still. Okay, and then let me write that down. Where was my copy I used that I threw away? It's over here. Okay, so we can just rip something out. What is this? Okay, let's rip this out. It's actually perfect. What the heck? Okay. Anyway. Let's think about this. So, at dawn, the car and I both refilled. At dawn, the car and I both refilled. But father, I am running on empty still. But father, I am running on empty still. Why is this ice cream truck outside my house? On empty still. Okay. And then one more line from that would be like the Furies. Did anyone pushing look harder than anyone pushed before? Pushing look harder than anyone pushed before. The wind screaming past like the Furies. So that's a simile. The wind screaming past. Like the Furies. Okay, now what I need to do is learn Merchant of Venice quotes. Or not even. I need to learn a key scene. So that's like Act 4, Scene 3 or something. God, I need to delete all of these. Like, I was so mad at everything. Just clicking into everything at that point. Okay. So, what's it called? Merchant of Venice key scenes. Key moments. Merchant of Venice. Oh, wow. That's Antonio and that's Shylock. Shylock is good. Antonio doesn't look like Antonio. Okay, here, Act 4, Scene 1. The Duke presides over the courtroom in Venice, where Shylock demands the penalty from Antonio for defulating on the bond. Shylock is immune to the pleas of the Duke, and Antonio's friends for mercy, and Antonio is resolved to die. So they're at the court, and like Shylock is like, they're telling Shylock not to do it, but he's gonna do it anyway. Antonio's Shylock resolutely, he is ill. He has sent young man Balthazar in his place. Okay, so the Duke has sent for Valerio, a legal. Okay, so the Duke is sick, and he sent Balthazar in his place. Portia, disguised as Balthazar, enters the courtroom, accompanied by her clerk, Nerissa in disguise. So Portia is a Duke, and Nerissa is a clerk, and they are. Oh yeah, she disguised as Balthazar, and yeah, the clerk. You did not just see me grab my calculator. Portia / Balthazar advises Shylock to be merciful, but when he declines, so I remember he also got, like, he needed to pay, like, 3,000 ducats or whatever. Shylock refuses Bassanio's offer for more money after the bond, demanding his pound of flesh for Antonio. He refuses the request for a surgeon to be present because it's not mentioned in the bond. Bassanio bids farewell to Antonio, who is told to prepare himself for the penalty. As Shylock prepares to cut Antonio's flesh, Portia / Balthazar tells him to wait and reminds him that according to the wording of the bond, he must take exactly 1 pound of flesh but no blood. Outwitted, Shylock prepares to leave the courtroom, but is called back to face the penalty for threatening the life of a Venetian citizen. So yeah, so Portia basically says that that like he can do it, but he can't drop an ounce of Christian blood on the floor. And then the Duke spares Shylock's life and reduces the fine. Antonio returns. Oh yeah, but they force Shylock to turn to Christian and reduce the fine. Antonio returns his share of Shylock's goods on the condition that he converts to Christianity and bequeaths his wealth to Jessica and her new husband Lorenzo. Shylock agrees and leaves the courtroom. Despite the Duke's request to join him for dinner, Portia / Balthazar insists that she needs to return to Padua and refuses to accept a fee of 3,000 ducats. Bassanio, unaware of Balthazar's real identity, insists that he should accept with some payment, so Portia asks for his glove and ring. Bassanio explained that he promised his wife never to part with the ring, but Antonio urges him to hand it over, so reluctantly he gives it to Gratiano to deliver it to Balthazar. Okay. That's a lot, but it's also, I know all this, so it's okay. So, the hate carrier, I think that's really all I need to learn. Also, like, I know my poetic techniques, I'm pretty sure, so I think I'll be okay for English. English is the first one I have. So, reading on empty, and then the hate carrier, and then all this, where it's Shylock's bond and 3,000 ducats, and they increase it like 4 times. Like, no, I do not want no 4,000 ducats, no. And then it was just like, Portia was just like, okay, you can do it, and then, but you can't drop an ounce of Christian blood. And then Shylock was like, okay, never mind, can I have, like, my payback? And then she said no, because she was, like, gonna kill him. And then she said that he needs to, bro, what does he need to do? He needs to convert to Christianity. And then, after that, Bassanio wants to thank, Balthazar. So Balthazar says, / Portia, and then Balthazar says, give me your ring and your glove to test his, like, loyalty or whatever, because the ring is supposed to be sacred. And then he, after, like, Antonio or something told him to give him the ring, and then he gave him the ring. Yeah! English is easy, man. I'm confident for this one. I really don't like my religion. I mean, not my religion. I love my religion teacher. I really don't like my English teacher. I miss my old English teacher. I miss him so much, man. And if you're wondering why I'm not really doing anything, I'm waiting 1 minute for my timer to go off so I can head to the next subject, which is religion, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Oh, and there you go. I'll do religion after I'm back from the bathroom. Okay, I'm back. And while I was on the toilet, yes, I did wash my hands. While I was on the toilet, I read my YouTube comments. I didn't think I'd have so many, but apparently I do. So my first one from Fwisty, this old guy. Gang, why are you studying on stream? Because it's the only way that helps me study. Because, because I know it's really stupid. The only way I can study is by talking to myself, okay? And doing YouTube is just talking to yourself. Which grade are you in? I think according to the UK, I'm in year 10 or 11. I'm pretty sure I'm year 10 though. The Great Lock On stream. Warp, bro. I know the Great Lock On is crazy. I'm not sure. What are you studying? Well, at the start, right now, I'm gonna go on to religion because I have my religion mock tomorrow. I'm studying my mocks. We have the same calculator. Nice, bro. We got the pink one. I don't regret buying the pink one. I wish I just bought like the black one. Pink was my favorite color at the time. I love how I'm replying to this like someone is actually watching, but yeah, it's a very nice calculator. But I don't know. Some people say they like the older version better, but I like this version better. And an emoji. Thank you for the emoji, guys. Thank you. I'm not sure. I have a second monitor. I'm not sure where. Like, here. I'll put my. Hold on. Let me pull this all the way. I'll put my what's it called? My comments on my actual screen, so I don't know, so I can actually read it while studying with you guys. I'm supposed to be doing religion. I'm getting so distracted. This is why you don't go on your phone, okay? what's it called? Okay. There you go. Now I can actually see your guys' comments or whatever. Okay. Religion. What do I study on religion? Okay, so I'm saving this in my bag. I'm taking this out. Business, home ec. Where's my religion? Oh, here. I really wish religion was like an optional subject. It sucks, bro. Okay. My teacher made us do so much of the religion freaking exam paper. She gave us so much homework on this. Like, especially like... No, she didn't give us that, but especially on this, bro. I'm crying. Son, I'm crying. Oh, I got 3 likes on my stream. Thanks, guys. I feel so stupid now. Anyway, okay, let's see. 2023. How long did I give myself to study this? Because I already spent 6 minutes in the bathroom and replying to comments. Clock. I have 30 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, a football manager told guests at an award ceremony, "The fact you have voted this team member player of the season shows that you have seen his quality as a footballer. However, it is his qualities as a person that should also be highlighted. Before a match this team, you only have 1 hour to prepare from the time we arrive at a stadium. Yet, this player has made time for his religious rituals and prayers part of our match day plans." Olympic boxing championship Katie Taylor told the report that there are times in competitions when I have doubted myself. I've heard this quote so many times, or had a few fearful thoughts, and that's when I have to cling onto God and cling to the scriptures and to focus on what God is saying. Explain how the importance of religious belief in the lives people can see in each of the thing above. So, religion. So for this, it's really easy, is because, like, the thing of God is, like, he, like, helps her and all, and, you know, gives her support. And for this, a player of the season, before a match, an hour to prayer. Oh, isn't this guy the guy that prays? Yeah, this prays. Oh, yeah, he prays before the team, so he still finds, like, a way to, like, communicate with God, even if he's busy, and that just shows, like, his respect and all. And, you know, I'd obviously, you know, make it way better if I was actually writing this out. Okay, write the letter below for one secret text given above. Match one secret text. Okay, so the New Testament is Christianity, the Quran is Islam, the Tripitaka is either Buddhism or Judaism. I'm pretty sure the Vedas is Hinduism. Doesn't matter. Explain a reason why a text is sacred for members of one of the following religions: Buddhism, Christianity. So, I'd say the Quran for... Wait, no, isn't the Quran Judaism? Wait. What religion is the Quran from? Oh, no, it is Islam. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's like... Okay, I'm just gonna say the New Testament. The New Testament, because you just have to revolve it back to the same thing. It helps them, like, you know, like... Whoa! It helps them, like, connect to their God and, like, live a moral life and, like, live a life in their ways. Describe an example of the way sacred text plays a part in the lives of believers. It makes them better. It makes them better. It makes them follow the golden rule. It makes them, you know what I'm talking about. The child pictured opposite appears to trust the adult in the photograph. Appears is crazy, bro. Suggest one reason why the child appeared to trust the adult in the photograph opposite. It's because the adult has hands I know that sounds so stupid, but it's actually that's actually the thing. My teacher said the most obvious answer. It's because his arms are out. It's because he's bigger, he's heavier. It's because, this guy has his arms out, he's crouching, seems like he knows what he's doing, he's gonna catch him, and obviously because he's an adult. Explain one reason why trust is associated with a development of a person's religious faith. So, with any relationship, if you don't have trust, you don't have anything, Like, if you don't have trust in a relationship, you might as well break up. So, you need to trust, it's associated with a person's religious belief, because sometimes what they say isn't going to make sense to you, but you still have to believe in what they are saying, and you still have to believe in what they are saying, and what they, do what they say, because in the end it might result better for you. It might give you a better mental health if you trust them and do what they say, Like, I'm very good at waffling, if you can't tell, so, this is easy. Like, I can't waffle a lot by talking, but if I'm writing, I just literally write everything. Describe an example of how a person's belief can change at different stages in the development of religious faith. So we have childhood faith, and childhood faith can change to adolescent faith because you know what it is. You're more mature, but you're still asking questions, and you're getting influenced by friends, and it's just you're not at mature faith yet, and some people never reach mature faith, but if you know, okay. Examine how each of the above can influence a person's religious faith. Family and friends. Family is obviously if you're born into Christianity or Islam or whatever, they're gonna talk about it, you're gonna grow up, going to church or something, and doing the Shahada, not the Shahada, but talking about it and all. And then, what the heck? And then friends can not believe what you believe and believe different things. It's gonna make you ask questions. It's gonna make you be like, oh my god, what do I believe, Okay, easy. Okay, I dropped my pen. Guys! I need to find it. My hood. This is so bad. Hold on. Okay. I lost my slipper. Okay. Anyway, we're back. Read the notice below and answer the questions that follow. Do you like to sing? Play a musical instrument? Join our choir? Okay, so it's about a choir. Giving me a chance to make friends. From your reading of the Buddhist notice, state one reason why people join this choir. Because they make friends. Give one reason why this choir can be described as a community. Because there's a lot of people doing it, Name a country of faith associated with one of the above, name a community of faith. A community of faith? Oh, a community of faith. Yeah, Muslim Sisters of Era. Yeah, so Muslim Sisters of Era is basically where they go out in Dublin, central Dublin or whatever. They give out food, and they're Muslim, obviously, and some people think they can't go to them because they're not their religion. But no, everyone can go to them, and they give out, food and water and all. I don't want to do this if I already have it done. Okay. One day, okay, that's the swing. Care for the earth is encouraged in different religion teaching. Match one of the above religious teachings in the religions most associated from the following list: Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, or Judaism. Oh god, I do not know any of this. Right action? Visceration of the earth? Let me look up what anything of this is. Let me see. unable to provide an answer to okay, whatever. The right action. Okay, so what religion is the ahimsa associated with? Buddhism, Hinduism, and Jainism. So ahimsa can be Buddhism or Judaism. Buddhism or Judaism. And then the right action. Oh, okay, Buddhism. So Buddhism, Judaism, the resurgence of the earth is this arrogance of the earth. Islam. Okay, this is Islam, Buddhism, Judaism. I won't need to know much more. Describe an example of how care for the earth is promoted in the teaching of one religion. Oh God. How is it promoted? Sorry,
Describe
I'm
an
just
example of how
refreshing my thing. Okay, how is it promoted? Well, if you really think about it, you could write anything for this as long as it sounds right. So in Christianity, you could say that in the Bible, it promotes to take care of the earth by it's saying do not trust the earth. You can, how about I put in a Bible quote in there, and it's just gonna be like, oh, Testament, like 11 John 82 or something, and then I'm gonna be like, oh, do not pollute our planet or you're going to hell. Anyway, these ones are easy. Describe another example of how a non-religious organization works to promote the well-being of all people in the world today. Non-religious organization, I'd say Father McDervey Trust or whatever. I'm not really remember what he does. Can I also see Helen Keller? No, that's just a story about a boy who like got like bullied and then didn't get like bullied anymore. Kilpatrick is a place of religious importance for a community of faith in Ireland. Name another particular place in Ireland that has a religious importance for a community. Okay, religion and name of place is Newgrange. It's easy enough. Explain why a particular place in Ireland has religious importance for a community of faith. Newgrange community of faith is important because it like tells people about history and it connects them with their God. There you go. The festival of Al-Adha is marked each year by members of the Islamic community. Name another religious festival that is marked at a particular time each year. Can I just say Christmas? Religion and then religious Christmas, like, or yeah, the birth of Jesus. Did someone show a reaction in the chat? I feel like I'm going crazy. What the hell? Okay, anyway. I'll be your fan, lol. Who? That is someone sending hearts in the chat. I thought I was going crazy. Thanks for the hearts, bro. I don't know who you are, but thank you for being my fan. I'm really just studying talking to myself to no one over here. Thank you. I appreciate it. I ran this in charge. You'll be my day one. Trust. Anyway. Explain 2 reasons why the religious festival. Okay, religious festival. Can't I just say Christmas for Christianity? Isn't that a religious festival? And if not, can't I just say like Easter Sunday or something like Easter? Anyway, thanks for the hearts. Explain 2 reasons why the religious festival that you named in part B above is marked each year by members of a religion. So it's marked because it remembers the birth of Jesus, obviously, or like it remembers how Jesus was crucified, and it also remembers, it also just brings you closer to the religion. Everything is so easy in religion. Subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're my day one. You're my day one. One of my 60 subscribers. Listen, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. I don't know how to study. I need help. Listen. Everything I have mocks on Monday, and I'm freaking out, low-key. I'm freaking out. Okay, I have 10 more minutes. I have 10 more minutes of religion. For me, as a Hindu, this is a sacred... Okay, wait. Let me start on the 2020 or 2019. This, my teacher made me practice so much. It's not even, like, funny. Okay, here. 2 hours. I only have 2 hours to complete this. I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish all of it because I really like waffling in my test answers. But I don't know. Well, I also have cursive handwriting, so like it might like be like faster. This is like something to fall asleep to. It's so boring. Like, imagine you are organizing a ceremony to mark what subjects you learning right now. I'm learning about religion. If you couldn't tell by the Christmas and the birth of Jesus, it's so bad. I already learned an hour of math, geography, English, and I learned something else in the span of 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours 10 minutes. Give one reason why. I don't know why you're even on this stream. Why don't you just go watch like a YouTuber or something? This cannot be that interesting. This is sec sample. Oh my god, sec sample. So this wouldn't even really like come up, and you can really tell the difference. I feel like the only subject I am actually like somewhat like prepared for is science. I'm so prepared for science. I know and I have the tables as well wherever it is. Oh, here. I have these tables. So, I wouldn't really need to learn the periodic table or whatever. I love your voice. Thank you. I love you. You know, you're my favorite fan. Let me take a picture of you. I'll shout you out in my next video. I make a video like every 2 months. There you go. You'll be in my bio. Girls support girls. Of course. Oh, I wish I had a friend like you in real life. Everyone in real life is so horrible, man. Well, you know what? If you really think about it, I'm the one studying and they're not. So, you know. Also, like, thanks for supporting me, but you really don't have to be here. Like, just like, thanks for the heart. Just like, go and like, just watch some like YouTubers. This is not interesting. This is just me studying. There's gonna be like 4 more hours. Here, you can check up on me in an hour to see how I'm doing. Like, go and do something like productive with your life. I don't think this is very productive, you know? Like, I feel bad, you know? Here, I feel like this battery, this is what I'd really just like need, the battery. I'm so scared of actually like writing in this book. Yeah, and all of this speed, velocity. So the pyramid is density on top and then speed multiplied by time. Oh, trust girl, I do not have friends. What else do I do? Oh, well, you could always watch another streamer. You could also play Roblox. That's my go-to, or like play Minecraft or something. And, or you can just, like, go out, socialize with your family, you know? Family over friends, you know? Friends sometimes suck a lot. I'm sorry I'm saying this. This one girl just, like, really made me mad yesterday. Sometimes you're just, like, damn, you know? You think you really trust someone, and then they do something, and then you're just, like, you know, you like, wow, you really didn't even care about me one bit, you know? This is turning into like a depressive stream. I don't need to study this anymore. I think St. Patrick. I need to learn the story of St. Patrick. Okay, I kind of forgot what he did. St. Patrick. Back story of St. Patrick. Okay. Saint Patrick is a saint of 5th century Romeo British Christian missionary. I would love to be your friend. You look coolly. Well, you are my friend, so thank you. I appreciate it. I am your friend, and yeah, maybe we can make a video together if you want or something. If you have like a mic, we can play like a Roblox or something if you want. Like I make a video like once a month after the mocks though, because I need to lock in for these mocks. But then after the mocks, I have a week off anyway, so we can like play something. And also, I'm not cringe. My YouTube videos were there. I don't even care about cringe. Just look at my channel. You know what? Okay, let me look at your channel. Here, everyone. This is how I'm looking. Here you go. On stream, I'm looking at your channel. It can't be that bad, okay? Channel activity. Go to channel. Oh, all this? This isn't even cringe. Like, you're also really pretty. Let's see the short.
Kid, you want
I can't hear
some
anything.
candy? Hell yeah! Hey kid.
Oh yes, I love it. I
If
love
you're a
it.
small-
I'm giving this one a like. I'm giving this one a like.
If you're a small content creator, use this sound to gain at least 100 new subscribers.
Here's,
Don't believe
here's
me?
your
Try
new
it yourself.
subscriber. There you go. Sub for
If you're
sub. Looks so realistic even for yours, bro. Bro, I hate skin shedding. It's so bad.
She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish.
How did
you
this turn
wake
from like a
up
study stream to like seeing just like what
one
my viewers are doing? Oh, this is my favorite one. Cleaning my
I saw
desk.
your face today.
I'm proud of you for cleaning your desk. Oh,
Cleaning
my desk,
thought I
part one.
saw your face today, but I just
oh, I'm
lay
probably
your
gonna get like
face
demonetized for
against
this
the
actually for showing
trees.
other creative content.
Breeze as they come.
Oh yes.
As they come. And
Cleaning my
I
desk.
thought
Well, nice YouTube channel. I need to get back to studying, but like it's not cringe at all. Like I would love. Oh, they did me dirty. It's okay. It doesn't really matter anyway. It's just a channel. Like post what you like. Post what you like. Don't let like be yourself. Don't let anyone else like be someone for you. You know. Okay. I have 3 more minutes. Well, what was the next thing I was supposed to study? Irish, I think, after this, right? No, history. Oh, I have to study history. I hate history. I actually hate history. Oh my god. No way. I don't know anything in history. Actually, you use TikTok? Yes, I do. My TikTok is the exact same as my YouTube name. It's just Nikki Your Mom with 2 M's at the end. And my face is on it if you want to see it. YouTube Classroom. I need to get into Classroom. Classroom. Switch account. This one. Okay. Carmel, Pomac. Where are we? Where are we? Math, not in math. Where are we? History. The age of exploration, conquest, and colonization. Oh, wait, no. He's not here. JC revision, history revision. Okay, let's go. Okay, well, okay. Breaking down the exam paper. Let's look at the exam paper. It's 2 hours, blah, blah, blah. We already went through this. Oh, okay, so here, this is, oh yeah, okay. So this is the 1980, not the rebellion, but something. This is to do with archaeology. This is to do with World War II. This is to do with the rebellion. This is also to do with the rebellion because they're wearing red and white. This is to do with World War II. Okay, topics worth revising. The work of archaeology. Oh, I'll follow when I get my phone back because I'm literally using my home slash public phone right now. My mom kept my phone because she found out like things she wasn't supposed to. I feel you. Sorry for talking too much, lol. Oh. Okay, well. That means we actually need to study history. Sorry for talking too much, lol. I love you. I love you too. You're my subscriber. I love all my subscribers. And it's alright. You don't need to check it out or anything, you know? Okay. Junior Cert History. The nature of history. The history of Ireland. How do I zoom in? Oh wait, on the bottom. Why can't I like move this around? Okay. Recognize how a pattern of settlement and plantation. I'm gonna do the plantation and the rebellion. I think I need to do like time dates on that, you know. Exploring people and cultural change. Is this okay? No, I don't think those red lines were showing up on the stream. Where were we? This is all just like, you know, like what to do, not actually what to study. Quizlet, Kahoot, and Bluekit. Okay, let's go. How do I find life in ancient Rome? Kahoot. Oh my god, girl. Do you want to do a Kahoot? Actually, wait, you don't have your phone. I'll have to do a Kahoot. Like Kahoot, life in ancient Rome, or a Kahoot. Okay, guys, join the Kahoot. Oh, I have to sign in. This is in Polish, English. What? I'm a student. I'm just gonna choose a random day. There you go. I'm not 45 years old. I'm gonna say I'm not 8. I'm gonna say I'm like 20. Here, and here. 21. Okay. Continue. Continue with work, email. There you go. I want to receive information. Okay, continue. Password. Okay, guys, let me block this off real quick. Okay. I'm signing up to a Kahoot. There you go. Okay. Find a Kahoot. Okay, let's go back to the life in ancient Rome. But I gotta go. Get ready for school now. Wish me luck between those snakes, lol. Bye, you're gorgeous, by the way. Oh, thank you so much. You're gorgeous as well. And have a good day at school. I hope it goes well. Okay, wait. Where is it? Kahoot. Where is it? Can I play? Ancient Rome. That is not in. Okay, I'm just gonna say Rome. Okay, you know what? Flip the Kahoots. Early Christian Ireland. I need to learn about the things where it's like. Why is my dog looking at me like that? No, Jazz. Hutch. No, Hutch. Oh, come here. Oh. Okay. I got her. Right. Anyway. The impact of colonization and conquest. The rise of impact of nationalism and unionism, life in the thing we cannot say, Soviet Russia, drift to war, Cold War. I think I need to learn more about like the troubles in the plantation. Okay, the plantation. Let's start somewhere. The plantation. Plantations of Ireland. The plantation. Oh. Okay. My bad. This is too complicated. The English plantations. I have so much tabs open right now, it's not even like funny. Cantrick Castle, County Cork. The English plantation. The Tutor of Planting. Plantation of Ulster was an colonization by people from Great Britain. Small, privately funded. Let me just make this smaller. Among those involved in planning and overseeing the plantation, severed the ties of Gaelic clans of the Ulster. What is any of this? Well, also I know the French Revolution. Let me search up the American Revolution. The American Revolution. The American Revolution was a pivotal conflict in which the 13 colonies broke free from British rule to form the United States of America. It began as a process against British taxation and governance, escalating into a full-scale war of independence. The revolution culminated in the signing of the Treaty of Paris in 1783, which recognized the sovereignty of United States. Key events included the Boston Tea Party, the Declaration of Independence. Okay, that's fine. Let's go into my history notebook if I have it. Yes. Where's my camera? We can zoom in for now. Remember to stay hydrated. Okay. Let's go. Question 1. Oh, I remember I was studying this before. So these are just all sources. Why are the records contained? Archives important, unique, irreplaceable, and go long-term value. How can damage be caused to archival materials? Fire, damp, light, and heat. Okay. Use source 1. Explain how 3 of the photographs above relate to work in an archive. So, photograph 2, documents stored in a box. Photograph 2 is person storing document, and photograph 6 is person reading document. Oh, okay. Extract from a documentary in Offaly archives which show a resolution based at a meeting of Tomor. Okay, so these are just documents. Okay, here. What is meant by the term reformation? I don't know. We need to search this up. Oh, what is going on with the camera right now? Reformation. Meaning. The action or process of reforming an institution of practice. Can you like dumb it down for me? Jeez. Oh, so this is Henry VIII or something. The act of making an improvement. Okay, so making an improvement on the centuries. Okay. That's fine. Okay. What is meant by cause and consequence in relation of historical event? The cause is what happened for it to become that way, and leading up consequences, what happened after. Okay, cause or consequence. There were abuses in the Catholic Church. Cause, wars of religion broke out in Europe. Consequence. The sale of indulgences angered some reformers. Cause, Catholic and Protestants persecuted each other. I think that's a cause. The Council of Trent reformed the Catholic Church. I think that's a cause or a consequence. I'm not sure. The use of printing press spread a new religious idea. I don't know. Name the religious reformer you studied as part of your journal. Martin Luther. State three religious beliefs associated with this reformer. So who is Martin Luther first of all? I'm pretty sure it's the guy that like told everyone God was like, I mean the earth was round. Who is Martin Luther? Who is Martin Luther? Sorry, forgot to change the camera. Okay, so he was a German monk and key figure in the process of Reformation. He is best known for challenging the teaching and practicing Roman Catholic Church was led to sparked. Okay, so he criticized how the way like the church was made. So free religious beliefs associated. So he believed that like that everything was like unfair. Free actions. I think he like protested or something. Oh, 95 Theses. 95 Theses. I'll write that. 95 Theses. Okay, this is another thing. It's another thing. Read source one again. Describe two. Oh, okay. Name the plantation you studied for your junior cycle, the Ulster plantation, and name the king or queen who ordered this plantation. Alright. Plantation of Ulster. Let's see. James V. Ulster plantation. James the Fifth. Okay, this is another thing. Okay, what message do you think the artist want to give to his his English audience about the French Revolution? Oh, okay, so that, yeah. Okay, name a revolution in Europe or the wider world, not in Ireland, that you studied as part of your junior cycle history course. The American Revolution. 3 causes. Bro, I'm so cooked. I don't know. 3 causes of the revolution. That's 3 causes. Oh, okay, let me search this up. Everything is just going back to Google now. Three causes of the revolution. Brain and new taxes and trade restriction. So there's new taxes and trade restriction on the 13 American colonies. There was resentment, and then their lack of representation in the the American. Taxation. Oh, okay, it's the same thing. Okay, we're fine. Name one person involved in this revolution. Bro, I don't know this. What? Okay. What? Okay, whatever. One person involved in the American Revolution. Oh, George Washington. Yeah, I knew that. I so knew that. December 14th was an American commander and founding father. What did he do? George Washington. Oh, thanks for that lovely picture. Okay. Do you think that this revolution had a positive or negative impact? I'm not sure. What did George Washington do in the American Revolution? Oh, the Continental Army to victory. Was an American and statements who led the Continental Army to victory during the American Revolution War and served as the first president. Oh, okay, so he was the first president of United States. Okay. Okay. So it was a good thing because now America is its own country or whatever. There's a lot of source questions in this. Name one political achievement of Nan Joyce. Oh, okay. Describe key changes in the experience of Irish women during the 20th century in one or more of the following areas. Oh, okay, so basically... Okay, so that's literally just like kind of referring back to the source question. Sorry, let me make this bigger for use. There you go. The terms to describe USA and the USSR after World War II due to the military. Mad Fury. Preventing the movement of people, goods, and equipment into or out of a certain area. Okay, I think I know all of them. Okay. Oh my god. What? Another source question. What was the attitude of the or who produced Gift 2 Reasons? Okay. Name the theme you have studied which illustrate a pattern of change across different time periods. What? Okay, whatever. A pattern change across different time periods. Maybe like... I'm not sure. Which of the changes you described in part C do you think made the most significant difference to people's lives? Sorry guys, what the hell? I'm so tired. Oh wait, that's it. That's not even that bad, to be honest. But it's kind of upsetting because there's nothing about like World War, and that's like the only thing I know. But it's okay. I think that's fine now. How much time do I have? Right, what is my friend telling me? Oh, okay. 15:20. So I only have 10 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. 10 minutes to spare, so I'll just do Irish now. I hate Irish so much. Okay. Do you want to go on the bed? My hand is so cold. Okay. Anyway. So the first three are listening, and the listening should be fine. Okay, so listening, I can't really do anything for that because, you know, it's really just on the spot. Then it's this. Then it's this, which is so bad. Time to pull out my Irish. Okay. Right. Where is my thing? So this is just basically you have to learn. I might go soon because I'm really, really hungry, okay? And I need a break. Okay, novel. Here. Irish. Character Sharon. No, Tima. Is a Tima an Urskill Shaw na Cursi Chila. Tegan sé contas fierce léir gath ein déna character. Agus mé sim go curran sé sin mór go le Tima Cursi Chila. Fagmid Eva Soler den clan Shaw. Mar hampla, Janan an tí úidir cur síos na smiansi atá ag Sharon. Agus í ag pléacht agus ag dul amach le buchaí eagsla. Fecamid conas a mochin Ellie agus marage nuair atá Sharon mar Shaw. Ina hénta sin fecamid cad a cheapan Timmy agus a mochún faoi cards atá Shaw aga. Larian and tí úidir déan go soléir go mian fána eagsla in ein Chila bích. Mar sin, sim gurb é Cursi Chila and Tima sean Urskill Shaw, mar tugan oiga ó galgur Eva intach den soléir atá ag na character area Shaw. Oh yeah! Okay, I need to see the name of... Wait! It's right there. Oiga o Gallagher. Never mind. We're going back here. So here. Oiga o Gallagher. Let me write that on like a sheet. Okay, I'll write that on my hand. Oiga. I'm sorry. What a weird ass name, bro. Oiga o Gallagher. Gallagher. There you go. Oiga Gallagher. 2 fadas. 3 fadas. Okay, Oiga Gallagher. Harlín mar Kujna ní de Ideach Muncher Ubrainen. Okay, there's also Sharon. Gan ein Aris B is Dinya Kenda. I'm not sure it's Kinda. Kinda is Sharon. Captain Sharon go will she cart and Tamar fad. Darla he fain, Tashi Canis na Chila, agus is cuma lehi near Tashi a troublage. Tagan si wala mearski hawan agus leirtir sa Cal Shaw go will she Canada mar ní gowan she leisgil lena dajnal lena mam holy mouthful. Co waithla shin current she brewe briga instant da tishmori near hagin she wala Janet on skull Neil she ach exmini fuihi fain. Okay. Okay. And then Book Point. Like, those 3 are literally the only ones. And then it's Mahlam and Mahlam. Is Doha Gurbe and Book Puncha is Mushan or Skill Shot and Tipmisha Boher. Inner Wari Sharon Adaj Augusta Kara Miho. Hussy Sharon and Tominch Gan Kidness Augusta Fui Tonclair Druggy. Hala Wahar Kosawan Augusta Noy Wari She Michael Augusta Daj Statimpusha. Sasta Nomi Hasta Conasa Wahin to Fian Creek Ictora. Vi scanner andon orm nor firme mah gur Wait, no, I don't need to learn that. I need to learn this. Cehime Aragur near Hatcham and Urskil Shalom. Bani Gitch Asim Narhonic May Mi Chant, I don't know how to pronounce that. Daj. Near Roche Gillis the ban. Near Mohi May Comperda, Nuravichern, Egg Spashadoract Timpel, Egg Kruhu Fauna, Olwara, da Tishmahori. Narhachan Sheilum and Biala, Janin and Tiudur, Curtius, La Himna, Solar the Fauna Drogi. Oh. Okay. Guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Cause this is all learning anyway, and I'm also really hungry. So to everyone that liked my stream and, and my new subscriber, thank you. And thank you for watching, and I feel like I did learn a few bits, I think. I'll probably need to go back on math and Irish, obviously. Then I'll be good. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and then I'll see you in the next stream.